Hi everyone, it's Miss Chrisha. Today I am going to show you how to make cheesesteak egg rolls. Alright, so we will need our egg roll wrappers. We'll need some shredded Parmesan cheese and grated Parmesan cheese. We'll need our shredded carrots, chopped spinach, and chopped onions. I use frozen onions. If you have fresh, go right ahead. We'll also need the steak and 1 egg that you can place to the side for later. Okay, so here we have the steak and we need to cut it into thin strips. I do ask that you get an adult or someone older to help you with this step, because I do not want anyone to hurt themselves. Because not only are you using a sharp object, you are dealing with raw meat. So please, please, please ask an adult to help you with this. Okay, once the steak is cut, you are going to put that into a bowl so we can add our seasonings. We are going to add black pepper, minced garlic, chili powder, and some Himalayan sea salt. So go ahead and gradually pour each ingredient into the bowl like this. And once that is done, oh, you know what? I forgot about the sesame oil. So we need to add just a drop of sesame oil, because sesame oil is really strong, so you only need a little bit. A little goes a long way. Once we have all the seasonings on the meat, we are going to mix them together and take them over to the stove. Here again, I ask that you have an adult helping you with this step or someone older. Again, I do not want anyone hurting themselves. You're playing with fire, hot oil. Please have an adult help you with this part. As the meat is cooking, we're going to add in our chopped spinach, our shredded carrots and onion, and we're going to mix everything together. Once that's done cooking, this is what it should look like. With this amount, you should be able to make about 5 to 7 rolls, give or take. And before we do start placing the filling on the wrap, you want to turn it to the side. This way, once you begin rolling, it'll be a lot easier for you. So place the filling in the middle of the roll in a straight line, as you see. You don't want to overstuff the roll, because that can potentially cause the wrap to rip, and you do not want that to happen. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, and then we're going to top it with the Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to roll. So you want to grab the outer corners and bring them in. Make sure they're touching. Grab the top and fold it over and tuck that underneath. Please make sure the wrap is tight, because you want the perfect Remember the egg shape I asked you to place to the side earlier? Here's where you're going to need that. The egg is going to help seal the wrap, so that way nothing will fall out. And now we are going to fry the egg rolls. And here I ask again, please have an adult help you with this step. And there you have it, cheesesteak egg rolls. I went ahead and paired it with brown jasmine rice and topped it with the grated Parmesan cheese I showed you at the beginning of the video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.